I don't know how many drinks I've had. Not 15, right? So I get to have like more. I think someone just left this though, so okay, let's see if we can get it. I got $5.
You're gonna load up?
$5 loaded. $5. Are you
Look at that.
This is when it's so up. This is how it hooks you. It wants you to play again because it wants you to get this ball.
Hey.
You see how this big ball, these are some big balls. These are
250,000.
big ass balls.
Oh, 25,000.
And it's just giving you like 4 of them. Like you can't give me 2 more big balls. Wait, come on. Right?
Okay, keep going. $5.
Alright. Well, I think I have to like put credit in love.
Yeah, I'm waiting. It's okay.
You're waiting. But those are some big ass balls.
Yeah, they are.
You couldn't give me 2 more balls?
I got extra 2 balls.
Can we plastic? Can we give your balls to it to just...
they're not worth that much.
It doesn't matter. As long as you give me
Sorry,
2 more balls.
this is not PG over here.
Now, if you haven't had drinks yet, this is what happens. Here we go. This is what happens when the casino gives you, some free drinks. I keep pressing 1 and it's not doing anything.
Okay, I'll do it for you.
Yeah, I think the drinks are making me too.
I know.
I wanted those balls. Oh my god.
100. Okay.
All right, we're gonna play them $1 at them balls.
At $5.
Yeah, my birthday. Ooh, you know my birthday. Look at you. No, it's missing a number.
No luck.
Alcohol involved, cussing involved.
There. All right.
All right.
Go ahead. $5 bet again. Go.
Okay.
$5
Come on,
bet.
balls.
Here it comes.
Ah, nada.
There it is again. There it is again.
The 2 balls came out, but just 2 of them. 250 and 100. Yeah.
Gotta happen.
Look at
the
those.
balls are gone down.
Yeah.
It's shrinking. Love is shrinking.
Yeah, they're about to descend the testicles.
She's doing some tournament stuff. I want to see what she's doing.
Oh my god.
Baby balls, though. They're baby balls compared to yours.
But come on. You got all the balls.
Alright, she's can you sit down at your machine so we can play?
I'll sit down. Here we go. Balls. Now it's a baby ball.
There it is. There it is.
2 packs. I need 3 to come.
Okay. Okay. Are you gonna?
You didn't get that?
Well, I'm just trying to watch the game and play.
Minor. Alright.
Here we go.
Come on, balls. You know I wasn't gonna play that big of a ball.
There you go. Nice. $15.
Wow.
Keep it going.
Wow. Here?
Yeah, it's a good line pay.
I don't know.
Okay.
I think I like some small balls. Just at least it gives me something, right? Come on, something. No? Something! Oh, come on!
I'll stand back here.
Give me some balls!
Hey!
I got a dollar ball with $25.
Okay.
Good for you. All right, you got your balls. You didn't mean my other. You didn't need my other 2, so you're good.
You were. Come on, big ball. Come on.
Come on out there.
I saw a 5,000 ball there and a minor. 5,000.
Oh my god, I'm having too much fun.
One of them is 2,500.
Okay, hold on. We got one more spin left. We need some balls. Woo! Oh, gave me 3 more spins. Chances on some balls. No,
Yeah,
never mind.
whisper it.
I'll
Slot
make-
whisper. You slot whisper.
Forget the minor, major. Oh my god.
There it is.
Mini balls. Yay! One more, come on. Come on. You got this. Ah, okay, come on. You got this. You got this. I think I gotta go retire after this one. I gotta go sleep. What time is it? Okay. I think I'm gonna. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, you need one more for 10,000. Can you do it? Hey, come on, slot whisperer. You can do it. Go. Is it there?
It's not there. Look on. I don't want to see it. Let's go. Come on, come on. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Ah! Oh, you know it's gonna be there. Ah, okay. Oh my god, that was fun.
Yeah.
And a dollar bet. I got my money back.
Hey. Hey, look at that.
No way.
Hey, look at that, 175.
And a dollar bet.
Hey, that was pretty good. Yeah, it's really good for the dollar bet.
Can it be like a $10 bet? So it's like $1 or something.
And no, yeah. Good job. Cool.
Okay, I'm so happy with that.
All right. Good. Congratulations. Cool.
Backup
175.
spin.
Back up.
Backup spin. You got this backup spin. No, cash out. Cash out. Yes.
Hey, good job.
Hey, you're welcome. Have fun. Sounds like you are.
Yeah. All right, everybody. I got $300. I am at the Dragon Link machine, and here we go.
If I thought the drinks were like a lot, wow. It's a lot.
Here we go. Here we go. Can we get a bonus and a bonus?
Wow.
Here we go. Bonus time. Bonus and a bonus. Bonus and a bonus.
Don't gamble, kids. But if you're not a kid, you know it's your money. So.
Here it is. Two more.
Ay, ay, ay.
Anything good?
Anything, something good?
No.
Come on, Buddha. Buddha gave it to me, love. 2 more, 4 more, 4 more. Oh, you blocker.
Wow, on a $5 bet? Come on.
Come on, Buddha.
Wow, $34 on that.
It gave it to me, love.
Oh, look at this. One more.
One more.
Look
Ah!
at that. On a $5 bet.
Looky, looky.
Let's see what happens here.
Look at, is there any more left?
Boom.
Were you having fun?
I saw a minor in there.
Come on, come on.
Save it. Save it. Boom.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh, minor, 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 mini, mini, minor. Mini or minor? Ah! Mini or minor, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Give it, give it, give it.
Oh, I saw it too. All right. What do we get here?
Touchy. Look at you. Woohoo.
I got my money back. That's it. I got my money back. I'm good. $300. Alright. That's good for a video. Yeah, that's good.
Stop, where we're going. What do we do?
Deck 8.
Deck 8! Okay, we're going to the room. She had like 3 drinks.
I did not. I had
She had like 11 teen.
5 drinks. I think I had 5 now.
Look at us. Look at her. Look at me. Look at her.
Look at you.
Oh, it's elegant night, but I'm not really elegant, but she's elegant. We're gonna go eat.
You look elegant.
Do I?
Yeah.
Gotta suck in the stomach though. Alright, let's go down.
Cruising.
Look at her! Look at her! Is she posing? Aww. Oh, everybody's outside looking at the sunset. You wanna go look at the sunset?
Ooh,
Let's go. Are we all being romantical out here looking at the sunset?
Sunset.
I really like the decor in the ship. I like it better than Miracle. What do you think?
Okay, I know it's not supposed to be like a Asian style, but it's looking like it.
Yeah, right? All these patterns.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody's dressed up. We're going in. 342. Hello?
Call out my name.
Hand pay? Are you calling me?
Wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Hello?
Hand pay's calling.
Winter, spring, summer, or fall. Hello, how are you?
I'm kidding.
I'm good. Is it warm?
Crispy buttermilk,
not warm.
calamari, shrimp cocktail, Caesar salad, cream of
No,
mushroom,
I think we're good. We're good.
grilled chicken breast, and my ice cream.
Oh, mushroom
Oh,
is
look
good.
at that. Mushroom, thank you. Ooh, calamari and mushroom. Yum. Go for it. Did you say you're not Russian?
Thank you.
I had to get that. Yep. How do you like your yogurt?
It's actually good.
Good. What'd you get?
Fish cake?
Jumbo shrimp fish cake?
Right there. It's hiding.
And I got grilled chicken. Feeling healthy. Good luck to us. She said this is really good. So,
It's warm. The sauce is a little different.
you got 2?
I couldn't decide.
Oh
so yeah,
my.
I got them both.
And I got my lime sorbet like usual. Look at that. Thank you.
Ricotta, yeah.
We are walking slow because
We're so full. Oh my god.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
Are you vlogging?
No. Are you? We're calling it a night.
It's time for dinner.
We're not going to dinner like this. It's okay, we're not going.